He was once rejected by All India Radio because of his voice. Yes, the same voice that later became the golden standard of narration in Indian cinema. Amitabh Bachchan didn't start as the voice of India. He built it brick by brick, word by word, practice after practice. And today, his communication style commands silence in rooms full of noise. So, in this video, I'm going to decode exactly how you can bring the same power into your spoken English even if you're starting from zero. Because Bachchan's story isn't just about talent, it's about transformation, and yours could be the next. By the way, if you enjoy practical techniques like these and want someone to guide you personally, I provide one on one spoken English mentorship. It's focused on real world speaking, voice training, and confidence building. Link is in the description. Now, let's begin the video. Step 1. Command attention with stillness and silence. Most speakers try to impress with speed and energy. Amitabh Bachchan impresses by doing the opposite of it. He uses stillness to create gravity. Watch any of his interviews or speeches, you will notice he often stays calm, controlled, and sometimes completely still. Yet the room listens. He doesn't fidget, he doesn't rush, he doesn't overexpress. Instead, he lets the silence and stillness build suspense, and that's what makes people listen to him. In communication, movement creates noise, but stillness creates power. When you don't overdo gestures, your words carry more weight. When you pause, people listen. Before answering any question, he often pauses, looks down, breathes in, and then speaks slowly. It creates a movement of anticipation, which is magnetic. How you can practice this? Practice reading with pauses and body control. Take a short passage and deliver it without hand movements or fidgeting. Keep your body calm and speak using only your voice. Second, use the 3-second rule. Before saying something important, pause for only 3 seconds. Look forward, breathe in, then speak. Third, watch your video. Record a 30-second talk. Watch if your hands, face, or body are unnecessarily moving. Refine it till your presence becomes intentional and calm. Even if your English is simple, stillness and pauses will make your presence powerful. It's not about fancy words, it's about how you hold the room exactly like Amitabh Bachchan. Step 2. Speak in layers. Build curiosity, then deliver powerfully. Amitabh Bachchan doesn't just speak, he builds anticipation. He doesn't rush into the main points. He sets the stage first like a master storyteller. This is what I call layered speaking. What does layered speaking mean? Think of a sentence like a movie scene. Layer 1. Tease or set the mood. He starts with something broad, emotional, or philosophical. Layer 2. Add specifics or context. He narrows it down, gives relatable or personal context. Then layer 3. Deliver the core message. Finally, he lands the main idea with full emotional weight and dramatic tone. Even with intermediate English, you will sound more mature, engaging, and magnetic, just like Amitabh Bachchan. Step 3. Prepared spontaneity, always ready yet effortless. What is prepared spontaneity? Amitabh Bachchan sounds like he's just thinking and speaking. But the elegance in his sentence, the balance in his tone, and the maturity in his words, these things don't come randomly. That's the result of preparation. It's called prepared spontaneity. You look like you're speaking off the cuff, but you've already trained yourself for these movements. This is not acting, this is communication mastery. Prepared spontaneity is powerful because it helps you respond with clarity even under pressure. Makes your language sound rich but relatable. Builds the impression that you're a natural speaker. Helps you avoid filler words like like, And best of all, it allows you to stay calm, composed, and confident, just like Big B. It's not memorized, it's internalized. Amitabh Bachchan doesn't cram lines, he lives those expressions. He has trained himself over decades to speak like a refined thinker. And you can do the same. Prepared spontaneity is not about faking, it's about being so mentally ready that when the moment comes, you don't panic, you perform. What you can do? Build a spontaneity toolkit. Create a note on your phone called signature lines. Start to store lines in category with examples, such as lines for compliment, disagreement, praise to others, or ending a conversation, talking about failure, talking about success, and keep adding new lines every week. That will help you collect all the vocabularies and expression at one place and refine your spoken English. Step 4. Use baritone like vocal authority. This is not about sounding artificially deep. Baritone is not about pitch alone. It's about controlling breathe, resonance, how your voice vibrates, pacing, how fast or slow you speak, tone and depth, how grounded your sound feels. Even if your natural voice isn't deep, you can train it to sound stronger, calmer, and more grounded. Because baritone isn't just sound, it's presence. Follow these exercises to refine your voice. Exercise 1, Humming resonance. Drill for only 2 minutes. How to do it? First, sit straight, relax your shoulders. Close your lips and hum like this for only 5 seconds. You should feel vibration in your chest and lips. Repeat 5 to 7 times slowly. Your purpose should be to build vocal vibration, open your chest voice, and improves depth. Second exercise, the pencil drill for clarity. Used by theatre actors to strengthen clarity and diction. How to do it? Place a pencil or pen horizontally between your teeth. Now try reading a sentence aloud. Speak clearly. Force your tongue and lips to work harder. Remove the pencil and repeat the sentence again. Notice how much clearer you sound this time. It improves jaw movement, articulation, and muscle memory for clarity. Now, let's quickly recap. First, command attention with stillness and silence. Second, speak in layers, build curiosity. Third, prepare spontaneity, always ready yet effortless. Fourth, use baritone like vocal authority. Which Amitabh Bachchan dialogues or English speech do you love the most? Tell me in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe to Fluency Journey, and share this video among your friends. This is Faz signing off. Until the next time, speak with strength, speak with clarity.